When you receive your arch guards, they will come in a bag like this. So firstly you'll need to open the bag and remove the 4 pieces inside. So you will receive a left and a right, near side, far side guard, and then 2 locator Ds, as we call them. So to assemble them, you've got a small cutout on the outside edge of the guard, and you've got a small slot on these locator Ds. Just slip those in. They can be quite tight, you can add glue to them if you want. Do this on both sides and then you're ready to install them into the wheel arch. Remove the factory pin just by pulling on this tab here and pulling this out. Place the guard into position, take your locking pin, place it into the hole, it should fit snugly. If you then have our sill protectors as well, which are these sections, they get popped on the pin that goes into the centre, as shown here. So we take this, line it up with the hole. These only fit one way. Push, line everything up, and that's your guards ready to go. It's important to note that the cutout on this section here fits under this lip that's here.